Jack and I came to Weston today, which is in Staffordshire, because we have Bonfire Night. You have to explain a bit, Jörg.
Yeah, it's in remembrance of the so-called Gunpowder Plot, where some guys, and it's really guys because the main person is, or one of the main persons was Guy Fawkes, who tried to blow up Parliament, including the King, at the beginning of the 17th century, and didn't succeed. And because of this, they have every day a remembrance of the so-called failed Gunpowder Plot.
And the thing is, like in Germany, we always have bonfires over New Year's.
And fireworks.
And fireworks over New Year's, but it doesn't really exist in the UK. It's today.
Yeah, so I think it's just a good chance to have a good, nice firework.
So the official date for Bonfire Night is November 5th.
Yes.
Yeah, so let's check it out. There's supposed to be some fare and you can hear the noise, so let's check it out.
Especially some good food.
Probably, yeah.
Smells good. Tastes good. But it's not to compare with German Glühwein.
No, of course not. So this is where the bonfire will be. And we are not entirely sure. We think the fireworks will be somewhere around over there.
Yeah.
Let's take it off. Here we go. 10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Off we go, ladies and gentlemen. Enjoy.
It's a bit red, isn't it?
No.
It looks as if we have red faces. We just returned and said we would end this video at home because it was a bit noisy everywhere, wasn't it?
And dark.
Dark, yeah, dark as well. But it was Jörg's first bonfire night, and I think you enjoyed it, didn't you?
Yeah, it was a nice experience. It was warm and comfy.
Well,
and I wasn't on the bonfire.
It was about 10 degrees, so not too bad, and dry, which was the most important thing.
Yeah.
A nice British tradition that we enjoyed, and we hope you like this little video, and we see you very soon.
Good night.
Good night. Bye.
See you soon.
Bye.